Why do birds fly in V formation?
Because they like the letter V.
No, you might have seen birds flying in V shape in the sky. Migratory birds might to fly in V, J, inverted V, and inverted J. This is called scheme formation.
According to Dr. Stephen Prodigal research, birds fly a meter behind.
When the bird in front flaps its wings, it pushes the hair downwards and creates a pleasure difference. The hair below the wings are higher pleasure, whereas the hair above the wings are lower pleasure.
As you know, the hair moves from higher pressure to lower pressure, and the birds piggyback like how all birds fly.
When the birds are moving in a rotating vortex of hair, hair below pushes down creating downwash, and the hair at the back push up leading to a upwash, which in fact increases the pleasure difference.
Hence, the birds moving behind the V are able to piggyback on this and fly more easily, and this increases when you go down the V.
Thus, any bird situated in other bites upwash has to spend a lot lesser energy to keep itself upload. The V formation is also used by military groups. It helps individual members to clearly see what is happening ahead of them and also helpful to shoot the enemies.
Thus, it's not just beautiful in birds flying in V shape, but it is convenient for them, and in fact a lot of birds switch positions so that they are able to migrate to longer distances.
So guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel.